What's up, you guys? It is Paul from Rise Above Fitness, here to teach you the most important kettlebell move that you will ever learn. It is going to be the Kettlebell Clean. Now, the reason this is the most important move you're ever going to learn is because it puts the kettlebell into a front rack position, which you then can transition into literally anything you want. So it's important to understand how to do this movement safely first so that you can start to load up the body in a front rack position. So what you're going to want to do is set up in a deadlift-like hinge. You want to drop the hips back. Notice when I drop the hips, my knees stay in line with my heels. So I'm loading up the glutes and the hamstrings. I'm going to take my shoulders, making sure they stay square to the ground. You don't want to drop your shoulder down. Making sure that you stay squared. You're basically driving through the hips and then pulling up the kettlebell into that front rack where the hand and elbow stay in a vertical position. Now, the biggest mistake that people make when they do any sort of clean pattern is that when they go up, they have a tendency to smash their ribs. The movement of the kettlebell is actually a little bit of rotation going around the wrist. So in slow motion, as I drive through my hips, the bell goes around the wrist into that front rack position. And then from here, you can do anything. You can do rotational snatches, you can do shoulder press, you can do squats. Your limits at that point are unknown. So that's why the Kettlebell Clean is going to be the most important kettlebell movement you can learn.